Hello, my name is Taylor Jansen, and my phenomenon is going to be about golf, and we are going to study how this small ball is going to go down the fairway all the way to the green. The standard is energy. It's 4-PS3-1 for 4th grade. Students who demonstrate understanding can use evidence to construct an explanation relating the speed of an object to the energy of that object. Science and engineering practices is constructing explanations and designing solutions. And 3 to 5 builds on kindergarten through 2nd grade experiences and processes to the use of evidence in constructing explanations that specify variables that describe and predict phenomena in designing multiple solutions to design problems. Wow, that's a mouthful. So the cross-cutting concept is energy and matter. Energy can be transferred in various ways between objects. So as I present this phenomenon to them, I will show them a video, which I have already recorded here. Let me fast forward. I did it in slow motion of a golf club hitting a golf ball. It's in slow motion. There we go. And then I also have another shot of a second hit, which this one is going to be a little bit faster. And then I will ask a question because there are 2 different videos to choose from. And I'll show you the next videos as I continue. Why is one ball traveling a farther distance than the other? Why did one ball go higher than the other? What patterns do you notice about this phenomenon? What are the boundaries of this phenomenon? And what are the components and how do they react? So here's another example video I will be sharing. One is of a putt and one is of a full swing. I filmed these in slow motion because I wanted the students to be able to slow down this process and visualize it a little better. I thought that a regular swing would just be too quick for them, and they wouldn't get the full benefits out of these videos. This is an experiment that we will probably have to start off in a gym, especially if the students are going to be doing any modeling themselves, because they'll be using force to hit a ball. And here's another example that we could minimize the scale by taking a ball and hitting it with another object. So that is my phenomenon, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone else's.